It's our wedding anniversary today. And habang nasa drive kami, napaisip lang ako. You're actually not loving the exact same person you met years ago. You change, they change, and somehow, you keep learning each other along the way. So, andito kami ngayon sa Burlington. We're back in our favorite city. Ewan ko, ever since nakapunta kami dito a few years ago, parang every summer, andito kami for the Rib Fest, magpipiknik or something. Kasi super ganda ng lakeshore nila. Sobrang kalmado, peaceful. City siya, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya super crowded and basta maganda siya. We just simply love this place. Kanan. So, dito kami kakain again on our anniversary. Parang feeling ko, if mag-move ako somewhere in Ontario, ito yung option ko, yung Burlington. Parang ang peaceful, ang ganda, basta hindi ko ma-explain.
Hi, how are you? If you go up the stairs on your left side, it'll be there.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Ang ganda. Bango, grabe. Isabel. And when we think about us now, ang dami na rin palang nagbago. Our dreams, our priorities, and even the way we look at life. We're definitely not the same people we were years ago. And I think that's the beautiful part. You get to keep discovering who you're becoming together. Marriage, at least for me, isn't one big love story happening every day. Most days, it's actually very normal. Work, family, responsibilities, mga random na usapan like, saan tayo kakain? Saan tayo pupunta? And somehow, it is in those everyday moments where love becomes part of real life. And when I think about all the years we've shared, ang dami na rin pala talaga nating pinagdaanan. We've shared seasons we wanted to hold on to, and seasons we couldn't wait to get through. And maybe that's why today means a little more. We're celebrating everything it took and everything we were blessed with to get here. And somewhere beyond this moment, there's still a whole life waiting for us. I don't know exactly what it will look like. I just know I'm grateful I get to share it with you. Happy anniversary, babe.